There's no single food that supports liver health, but a balanced diet can help keep your liver in top shape. That means filling your plate with vegetables, fruit, whole grains, beans, and fatty fish. Foods that contain fiber, such as vegetables, beans, and nuts, may help with optimal liver function. It's also smart to choose foods with healthier unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated and omega-3 fats, instead of foods with saturated fat or trans fats. The best foods for your liver. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. If you love broccoli, you're in luck. This cruciferous vegetable, along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and mustard greens, are good for your liver. They are a source of fiber, which supports liver health. 2. Berries. It's smart to add blueberries, strawberries and raspberries to your meals and snacks because they're rich in fiber. Berries also contain many antioxidants, including anthocyanins. Studies in test tubes and on animals have linked the powerful antioxidants in berries to reduce liver damage. Studies in 3. Grapes. Like berries, grapes contain fiber and antioxidants. Specifically, grapes contain an antioxidant called resveratrol, which may help prevent further liver damage in people with NAFLD. Oxidative stress is involved in the progression of NAFLD, but antioxidants from foods and supplements may help combat this process. Oxidate. 4. Nuts. With an abundance of healthy unsaturated fats, nuts are a good addition to your diet. Specifically, a recent study found that including 28 grams of walnuts into a daily Mediterranean diet may reduce your risk of developing NAFLD. 5. Beans. The American Liver Foundation recommends reducing saturated fat and red meat in your diet. One great way to do that is to occasionally replace red meat with beans, lentils, and chickpeas. 6. Fatty fish. Oily or fatty fish, such as salmon and trout, is a good source of omega-3 fat. NAFLD is associated with diets that are too high in omega-6 fats and too low in omega-3 fats, so eating more oily fish can help adjust this balance. 7. Coffee. Coffee is good for liver health, but it works best when you don't add a ton of sugar because excess sugar is bad for your liver. Coffee has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and both decaf and caffeinated coffee seem to be beneficial. Kindly subscribe and share video.